Ready?
Yeah.
Why the long face?
Why the long face? What's up?
Our car broke down.
Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, bless you. Are you okay?
Oh my god, I'm real crying now. I don't know why I got too into character. What happened to your van?
It got caught in dump truck.
Oh, it had a car crash into the dump truck?
Yeah.
Did it?
No, that's not the story that the RACV told us. So picture this, right? You're driving down the highway.
We were driving down the highway.
Well, I was driving. So I was driving down the highway with myself, Ashley,
Hello.
and our son, Manuku.
G'day.
And then bang! We had the engine light come on and we lost all power, so we had to pull over, and then we were stuck on the side of the road for about 4 to 6 hours until our tow truck finally arrived. And then it fell off the side of the tow truck, and then it just left really quickly. So yeah, we've got a wedding in 3 days, which is my sister's wedding that we're meant to be getting to, but the car obviously doesn't work now, so we've got it in for a mechanic. He's going to see it in 2 days. Probably won't be able to fix it then, so we're going to hire a rental van. We're interested to know all the prices and what we can get and what they come with, almost as if we're doing market research. Maybe we would want to get into the rental business one day. So just stay tuned for all of that. We need to get back to our little motel, which has been booked for us. Just collecting up all of our essentials. We got the eggs, we got the nappies, we got some spare clothes.
We got the sewing machine, we got the 100 different colours of thread, and then we've got outfits that we're going to try on for potential wedding attire. You got a bag of suit pants under here. And then the next one will be this.
What are you training for?
Kicking down the door to a new experience. Bing, 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 bing. Who's that?
Hello?
Who's calling?
Oh, it's New Adventures.
Whoa, let's go!
So this is the plan. We'll get public transport from the Gold Coast to Brisbane to pick up the rental on Tuesday, travelling 280 kilometres, then sleeping, ready for the wedding on Wednesday. On Thursday, we'll drive another 230 kilometres, have some more sleep, then it's our friend's birthday on Friday. Once the fun is all done, it's 480 kilometres back to Brisbane to drop the van off on Sunday. And then hopefully our car is ready to go back on the road. Woohoo! Rain, rain, go away. Make sure the mechanic fixes everything under the engine bay. You got your keys? Keys to your new crib?
Have you found one yet?
Found what?
A van.
Oh, yeah. No, not yet. I'll find one now. A van! We're thinking this little rig. What do you reckon?
Expensive.
So upon further research, looking through these vans, and this is the prices that we're looking for, and then we have to pay more insurance on top. This guy came up on Facebook for a big fat 2,000, which is pretty much double the price, but then we would have a car. You originally had a Ford Falcon, didn't you?
Yeah.
With the bed in it.
The mattress has to be right in the ground, or you like lose it out.
Yeah, it's pretty tight, isn't it? We'll put a bed and mattress into it and then make it look all cozy, and then we can sell it.
Let's hide. Let's hide.
17, 19, here I come.
Ready?
You're gonna get dizzy.
You know that broccoli is a member of the cabbage family.
No. This guy is a cabbage.
He's a member of their family, alright?
What happened to the car on the tow truck?
Ow.
Yeah, it did that. It did an ouch, didn't it? And you're a witness, right? Do you reckon you can fill in the forms for the insurance?
Yeah.
Thanks, mate. Like here, and then about this. No. Like not looking at the van. Boom. Yikes. Straight on the K-frame. Oh, that looks like a lovely dress. What are you making?
A lovely dress.
So this one, Spaceship, is $658. And that's for 6 nights. So today is a new day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. Yesterday we got a bit sidetracked cooking dinner and having a little bit of fun. But today we're going to book this rental van and not go with the Ford Falcon, because that's probably a silly idea. So stay tuned, we're going to deal with that. We're now... So the rental van has finally been booked. We had to get a taxi from our accommodation to the mechanic to drop off our van keys so that he could start the work on our van. And we also had to grab all of our belongings, which we got just behind here, to bring into the rental van to get to the wedding. Ash couldn't contain her excitement. She's about 100 meters ahead of me, carrying the baby chair, which we've got to bring onto a taxi and then a train and then whatnot. We should have just rented a baby chair for about $50, but instead we're just bringing it with us. We've now adopted the trolley, and then we got the baby chair and we got all of our stuff, and we're off to a cafe. Let's go!
Thank you, Noo, for drinking that hot chocolate that they made you.
Stopped off at an op shop and we got our second suit. You excited to go on a train, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is this gonna be your first train ride?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, lucky.
What yellow train?
You wanna go on a yellow train?
Yeah.
Alright. Where's the train? It better be yellow. Please be yellow for my son. Have you kept your hunger on track? Ticket, please.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, this is for 2 adults. You're a baby?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God it's yellow.
Make breathe.
Let's get him a...
Bye.
The doors are going to open the other way. Doors are opening. Let's go. Where are we sitting? We gotta go. So we've arrived to the joint, and this is our new rig. It's called Planet on a Sand.
Come with me in my fam in a spaceship. Check your temp in your work to save a gasket. You'll be sleeping 3 people in a casket.
How do you feel, Matt, in your spaceship? Is it out of this world?
It's pretty in this world, and the petrol isn't full, which I thought would be. I don't know what the agreements are with fuel. But anyway, see you later. Bye, department. You have fun. Any cars? No cars? Let's go. Big adventures, ladies and gentlemen. Rental cars. Happy smiles. Let's go to a freaking wedding, eh?
I can't wait to see 2 people happily united for the rest of their lives.
The rest of their lives. Oh, armrest. Check this out.
Yeah.
Okay, that's where it locks.
Is that comfortable? Riding style?
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Is it manual or automatic?
It is automatic.
Easy on your mind.
Easy on your mind. What you got there?
New suit.
Oh yeah, when's the wedding?
Tomorrow.
Spooky. So we pulled up in the sleeping spot. We've got a dog not having the best time.
And also there's an animal outside.
It's time for the first night's sleep. We'll let you know how it goes in the morning. I reckon it's going to be a pile of shit. Jeez, a new morning. How'd you sleep? Horrible. I can't say I had the best night's sleep. I thought the mattress being hard was really great to start with, but I just kept waking up and tossing and turning. Onwards and upwards. Let's get to this wedding. We got neighbours. I knew we should have got a bigger car. For only $300 extra, we could have got something that big.
Treat one as their neighbour.
Treat thy neighbour as thyself.
Yeah, so that's pretty much you anyway. Lucky duck.
How'd you sleep?
Bye.
You slept bad?
Yeah.
Oh no, sorry mate.
So we got ready for the day, packed up all our belongings, put away the bed, and put away all those bad vibrations from last night. It's time to go out and hit the road and try again.
Yo, check this out.
Walking in, not ready for a wedding. Coming out of a car, looking
Banging. Oh, I need to iron my shirt. You being careful?
Over here, Mama. Smile. We did that, didn't we?
Cheese.
Oh, that's
when the evening shadows.
which is quite firm and nice, isn't it? Welcome to the future of yesterday. So last night we went to the wedding, and today we've just been chucking the kilometres under our belt for our friend's birthday, which will be the future of today.
Tomorrow.
The future of today.
Which is tomorrow.
Which is tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Holly.
Happy birthday, Holly. We'll see you soon.
So we got our friend Holly a nice present for her birthday. You gonna have a look? Ah, you wait till tomorrow.
So this is going to be your speech for your birthday.
Thanks, Mum. First of all, I just wanted to thank everybody for coming tonight to show you guys just how much I love you all. What better way than through interpretive dance? Time goes by so slowly for those who wait.
Wake me up when Holly's birthday will finally start.
Yep, no worries.
What are you doing?
When will Holly's birthday start?
Can we see what you're carrying?
Decorations for a table.
You guys, look what my sister got me for my birthday. Do you know what that is?
That's in another country!
It's in Denmark!
No way!
I grew up in a swamp. I'm putting this together. You are her friend.
What's that, your bird apple juice or something, mate?
So that's where you click. Alright, we're gonna take this. That's the best photo ever!
Oh my god. I smelled strawberry margarita.
Oh my god.
Three cheers, Holly, hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Happy birthday, girl.
Just like to thank everybody for coming to my birthday that was not planned at all, but
Wow.
here's an interpretive dance.
Matt, where are you? Bark again if you can hear me. I'll put it near your muscles so you look real big.
I don't think they meant it to be comfy, but I think it is. Like, the mattress is pretty hard, which I feel like 80% of the population would hate.
I feel like there's not enough oxygen in here. I feel like there's not enough oxygen in here.
Yeah, I heard you.
I feel like there's none.
Yeah, it's pretty weird, isn't it?
Stop using it all.
It's only twice the size of a coffin in here.
And there's 3 people. It sleeps 4.
Don't I say not to leave your dogs in a car?
Ooh, what a nice spaceship.
Oh, thanks.
I like your tent.
It was made out of recycled pallet wood.
Oh.
Are we gonna
Go,
make
go,
it?
stop, stop. Oh.
Hey, look at that, eh? 2 events, and it's just turned Saturday. Eh? When does that ever happen? That's called adult life. Well, everything's all done and dusted. The party was great. We've woken up feeling nice and fresh. Clicked our knuckles. The sun is shining. Had a coffee. It's time for the adventure to come to an end. We've got to drive, what is it, 500, 600 kilometres to drop this spaceship off on planet Earth.
Oh, damn.
Oh, hey, you look nice.
Oh, me? Thanks.
So how are you getting home?
I don't know yet.
I can give you a lift home if you like.
Oh, yeah? What do you drive?
A Toyota...
Land Cruiser, Land Cruiser, Land Cruiser. It's a Land Cruiser.
Spaceship.
I've got a boyfriend.
Kookaburra.
Where's Kookaburra?
Kookaburra down here.
Can you say hello in Kookaburra language?
Kookaburra ranges.
Please return your fuel level to the level marked. Well, that looks full, doesn't it?
Where was it when you picked it up?
It was just over half. boy, that's pretty lovely, isn't it? Oh, that's nice and clean. Oh, wow. Is that clean and stuff?
Authorizing.
Look where we are. The spaceship's depot. Look at that. That is exactly where we got it.
Hey mate, how was your trip?
Hey mate, you going?
Yep, Trevor.
Have a nice
Keys, please.
There you go.
That wasn't there when you picked it up, was it?
What? Yeah, no, it was there before.
Well, we'll just continue with our inspection. Oh my goodness me.
What is it, Chevy?
This is going to cost you guys. Jeez, these repairs are going to take a long while. That'll be $15. Should we have a look in the back? Stuck again.
Oh, it was sticky when we got it.
Jump on in. Oh, gee, mate, that's going to cost you now, isn't it, Fred? So when you picked it up, it had 3 caterpillar cocoons in it. Where are they? They were right here. That's going to cost you.
On the train
This is a Gold Coast train.
to Gold Coast
Express
from
from
Brisbane.
Bongo Road.
Look at that. Look where we made it.
Geez, that needs a tidy.
Right.
That needs a tidy, doesn't it? Sorry about that.
Look where we made it. We're back to the house that we have. Let's go. Look at that, everybody.
That's not where we left the petrol.
So what did you learn from this experience?
I think the main lesson that we learned was if you're going to spend a lot of money on a rental car, you might as well spend a little bit more money and get a sicker rental car so you're not sleeping in a coffin.
Yeah, I reckon when they do say money can't buy happiness, I think they're definitely wrong. Money can buy a lot more comfort, which leads to more smiles on the face.
And a better night's sleep.
And a better night's
The
sleep.
best medicine.
And we spent a lot of money eating out, didn't we? Because we didn't have a good cooking setup in
And
the
it was
car.
always raining and you have to spend money on campsites.
Yeah, so I think we wasted a lot more money having a budget car, van.
Trying to save money, we spent more money. Woo!
Yeah, so spend a lot more money if you're going to hire a camper van. And you'll obviously get a lot more comfort than we did.
Well, every night we just kind of, oh, this is a dog walking itself.
There is a dog. Hey, dog.
We had a pretty good time.
Yeah, the adventure was fun and the events were fun. Just the sleeping was terrible. I must have woken up like 20 times a night.
Yeah, we had to get up in the middle of the night and just open every single door, and a lot of bugs came in.
Yeah, we were getting bitten by
It just wasn't enough ventilation, even with that weird tent thing at the back that we weren't meant to have because we were meant to pay extra for it, but we had it anyway. Thank you.
There was no airflow.
It's like you couldn't breathe, even though you were kind of outside. Nothing, no air came through.
There was none.
There was no flies, but no air either.
Yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. That's very nice of you. You made it this far. Good on you. Give a little subscribe if your fingers are feeling tickly. Comments, I guess they're welcome. If you're nice.
Comment what you think the weight of the van is down below. The closest guest will get a jar of jelly beans. Thank you for coming with me and my family on this beautiful journey. It was such a bonding experience for everyone.
Yep, we got closer than we ever could, and that is because we were sleeping in a single bed in a car.
We're very grateful to be back home in our house, and we'll see you next time.
See ya!
So we just if you are